Hello everyone. So today we are going to see a few tips and tricks on format and align visuals in Power BI. So here in front of us we can see there are four cards, and my task is to have this formatting done just like how it is here. I want it to be done in all these three cards. Now, of course, I can go manually see how what is the value, call out value size here 45, and maybe try here adding 45, and then add the text style that has been used here. Instead of that, what I can do is go to home, click on format painter, and then select the visual that I want the same design elements to be in. So by clicking just here, of course, I'll get it done. But then again, it's gonna be one click for each visual. I don't want that. What if I want just all cards to be the same design with the single click? What I can do is I can just click on this both cards, right click on it, and then click on group. Once we group them, click on the original card, and then on in the home tab we can see format painter. Now once we click on here, it will copy those elements into the group that we have selected. So with the help of grouping and format design, we can have those elements all together in just a single click by grouping them together. Okay. Second thing I wanted to show you is, let's say we have four cards, and one is here, one is here, third one is here, and fourth one is here. Okay. Now, if I want them to be in a single horizontal line, I don't have to go and select all the visuals and make it on a single line. What I can do is, click on all the four cards, go to format, go to align, and then click on align top. This will, with a single click, this will give us all four visuals in a single line. Now, another ask is that I want equal distribution between two visuals, or in our case, two cards. I don't have to measure them like this, that okay, this looks like equal distance, this looks like equal distance. Now, what we can do is format, align, distribute horizontally. So it will by itself and then align on top, maybe, yes. So this will give us equal distribution horizontally between four elements, as well as they are on the same line. Let's say if I want it to move now a little bit right side, it's very easy for me to do. So these were the two tricks that I wanted to show you guys, how we can have all the visuals with same design with format painter and grouping, as well as how aligning elements can be done very easily through the format align feature that Power BI has. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.